What do you do if you update an intelligence assessment and your judgments significantly differ from previous reporting? Will anyone take you seriously? Conversely, what do you do when you update an assessment based on new information, but realize that your judgments are consistent with previous ones? Was all your work for nothing? As an intelligence analyst, your job is to make informed judgments based on the information available to you. So how can you effectively communicate these changes or consistency in your analytic judgments?
Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to explain changes or consistency in our analytic judgments. When we talk about changes, we're referring to when our analytic judgments have shifted from a previous assessment. It's important to explain the reasons behind the change, such as new information that has come to light or changes in the underlying circumstances. On the other hand, when we talk about consistency, we're referring to when our analytic judgments have remained the same over time. In this case, we need to explain why our judgments have remained the same despite new information. To do this effectively, we need to clearly articulate the reasoning and evidence behind our judgments. So to summarize, when explaining changes in our analytic judgments, we need to explain the reasons behind the change. When explaining consistency, we need to articulate the reasoning and evidence behind our judgments. Be sure to explore other explanations for the evidence to ensure you don't fall into the trap of mental laziness and groupthink. Take personal accountability for the assessments you author and ensure your judgments are logical inferences supported by the facts.
And that's it. By following these simple steps, you will effectively communicate changes or consistency in your analytic judgments to others and help them make informed decisions.